Hello.
What are we going to do today?
We're going to do a window. A
We
window.
will change the window.
And we have a window to change. So, hi guys, welcome in our next episode. Today we will be installing two windows, removing one window, and we will be installing two windows. Yeah, that sounds doesn't sound too scary, Cass. Can you move?
No, did you show them our
No,
windows?
I'm not showing them windows. No, not
show
yet.
them.
So, that's our windows, new windows. They triple glazing, wooden frame. We already installed a couple of them in our bedrooms and a kitchen. And as I said before, we will be removing one window and we will be installing two of them. Kasia, thank you for turning off the lights. Very nice for you. Thank you. So the reason why we're removing one window is, let me show you. This beautiful job, whoever did this engineer's job. So that's a window, and that's our lovely bathroom. Oop. Just over there.
Explain how they do that.
So they just use one window, and they use some, I don't know, extension kit or something to do it. Obviously, you can see all the, the mold. Anyway, there was no vapor barrier or nothing like that.
Mold.
Right, so anyway, Kasia is hyperactive, so she might go do some cleaning of her car maybe or something. Yeah, she's gonna go somewhere. So we've got coffee, everything's ready. We're gonna set up some music for myself, and I will be starting on. So most of the time I will be using the time lapse, and here and there I will just put the few comments of what I'm doing, what's going to be the next step. So the first things first, removing the glass. So the window frame itself will be lighter to take it outside. Obviously clean up all the tools which are on the way now. Some flour and stuff like that. So this is on my way. In my way. Doesn't really matter, isn't it? As long as it's not there, it's perfect, right? So yeah, I think we're just gonna crack on with this one now, isn't it, Cass?
What?
We're just gonna crack on with it.
Of course we will. We change almost all windows.
Yeah. She's hyperactive. She's hyperactive today for some reason.
I'm not. Just told them I'm just like that.
No, I think for something's not clicking or not something. Anyway, let's just get started. Look at this. I show you that. So that's my old windows. They're apparently just 10 years old. So we're gonna remove a couple of screws. You can see that. That's lovely. So we're gonna remove those. Remove the this part. And then anyway, we'll just see what's happened. We'll just see what's happened. So, a bit of an update. I had to make a temporary closure for our bathroom so Kasia can use it. Me as well at some point anyhow. So this is my sliding window. It's perfect. Right. So as I've been saying, I have to put the lintel above the additional lintel for the bricks. So. This is my lintel. That's my damper hose, which I'm gonna just install just like that. Right, so we've got day 2. What I did for night, I just put some like Kingspan insulation thing onto the windows to obviously to protect from the weather. This is how it looks like in a bathroom. So a big reveal in a second. I'm not gonna keep it for too long. Just gonna go ahead and do it. So, Let's just see how it looks like now. Oop. So this is what I did yesterday. Windows are installed. Backfill it with a brick over there. We've got the one wall over here. Hopefully it's all solid now. The windows is in. Yeah, let's just do this one now. Right, so we've got our new external wall insulation and then inside block which is screwed into this partition wall. We just done reverse it of how you're supposed to be building houses.